We started the company 20 years ago, Nova Intertech, and it's all about screens. Yeah, the first project was screen recycling. I'm from Germany, and I moved to Thailand 25 years back. And I grow up with screens, and I saw in Thailand the printing factories, they recycle the screen with chemicals, which are banned in Europe long time back. So the operators running with bare feet, yeah, and no protection, it's a very cancerous chemical. So we decided to open a stripping recycling service in Thailand, yeah, to serve all the printers in Thailand. In that time, Thailand was still a big printing country. So we've been the first company who introduced pollution-free stripping service worldwide, and it was very difficult in the beginning to introduce it in the market because chemical stripping is so cheap, yeah, and compared to the water stripping, we had to pay the machine also somehow. Yeah, it was difficult to implement, but we are covering now 98% in Thailand for the recycling service. Yeah, of course, some customers in Thailand using our stripping machines who have a large volume, so it's better they make it by themselves. We've done it some years, and textile world is very small, and people come to us, hey, you're stripping with water? So interest was there, and we started to promote this machine. We sold the first stripping machine to India 16 years ago, and from there it went very well. We are selling this machine worldwide, all textile countries, from South America, Europe, Turkey, of course India. And the idea in the beginning to protect the operator was a base idea, but it changed a little bit because rotary printing changed. In the past we had big orders, and the screen could be utilized. Yeah? But now we have to deal with small orders, and the screens are expensive, and next to it, the demand for pollution-free processing is there. Yeah? So it's a perfect timing for our machine, and I'm very happy to see a good response from the customers to really everybody's taking care. Yeah? So customers buying for different reasons also. Yeah, one say, my operators have to be secured. The other one say, my buyer is requesting that I don't use this chemical in the production. And now a lot of printing companies, they can save the money. Yeah? The screens can be recycled 10, 12, even more times, and that is a big benefit. And I am very proud to say in India we have more than 50 machines, and it's good to be here on the exhibition to meet the customers. We meet a lot of happy customers, and I like to be in India and see India textile industry growing. To be honest, before the show, I was pessimistic because we wanted to show our machine on the exhibition, and it's stuck in the customs. So I thought, I walk around here and I thought, oh, we don't have the machine over here, and there are of course competition over here with the machines, but the whole show was perfect for us. We enjoyed it very much. I'm understanding how big India is. Yeah, there's so many companies, and I enjoyed it very much. We had a lot of interesting conversations with the customer. We learned a lot from the customer, and I see this exhibition as a good result. Yeah. For a long time we've been alone in the market. Yeah, not lonely but alone. Yeah, and out of the sudden, other companies of course see, yes, there is a market. Yeah, and it's good that other companies also try to help with this issue. Yeah, I respect every competitor, but there are different technologies. We are using only high pressure water. There's other technologies which I don't think they are that efficient. Also with pure water, other companies they have a different system. The big advantage from our machine is we are using it by ourselves in Thailand. We have 2 machines running to support the local market, and we doing it on daily basis. Yeah, I don't claim myself as a machine builder. Yeah, we have a stripping service, we have an engraving service for flat rotary screens, all about screens. We do other machines for the screen processing, and the advantage from us is that if we see in our production that we can improve this on the machine, we're improving it directly. And we had so many changes on the machine from our production input, also from the customer input. I mean, we have 160 machines worldwide, which none of our customers can say, competition can say. So I'm very proud of this, and I think the trend is right with the pollution free. Yeah. India is a growing market for not only for textile. I mean, India have all the infrastructure. I saw so many changes in the last 20 years, yeah. And now that China stepped back from to be the main supplier, yeah, it's the right moment for India to step in, yeah. The machinery is here, the people, the education is here. It's the market is here. I see it growing, and it's on the right track, I think. Yeah, there's policy for the environment, yeah, which have to be taken serious. It have to be fast. Yeah. Textile market is changing a lot. Yeah, the technology is changing a lot. We have now a lot of digital printing, and which somehow is good, yeah, because it's much less making much less pollution than the screen printing. I'm little bit. I grow up with screens, so I try to keep the screens alive. Yeah. But we are also selling digital printing machines, because I think the printer have to have all possibilities to print fabric. Digital is good, and it's growing very fast. But I tell the customer also, be careful, do not trust only in the digital printing, because there is many people have a printer and the quality is more or less the same. So how do you compete with your competition? Is only with the price, not with the quality. Yeah. So screen printing is something where you really can show quality. Yeah. It should go together. Yeah. And that is what I tell my customers. We have to, of course, we also have to look into other industries. We stepped also in the graphic market and the packaging. And so we're not only on textile based. Yeah. And I see still a lot of opportunity for our company. There's a trend, not yet in textile, but in graphic market, to reduce the manpower. The automation, I think, is a big thing for the future. Not because the operator is too expensive, but to achieve a standard, every step you do have to be the same, and we are humans. Yeah. We cannot do all the steps the same. So machinery for this is required. We are busy with it.